Changing security settings on your Acorns account is essential for ensuring the safety of your personal and financial information. Follow these steps to update your security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Acorns website or open the Acorns app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection to protect your login information. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile icon or a settings gear icon. Step 3. Locate security settings. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Update your password. If you wish to change your password, select the option to update it. Enter your current password followed by your new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements provided by Acorns. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. To enhance your account security, enable two-factor authentication if it is available. This typically involves linking your account to a mobile device or email for additional verification during login attempts. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Acorns account remains secure and protected. Regularly reviewing and updating your security settings is a good practice for safeguarding your financial information.